In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and utilize Salesforce to import data. This step-by-step guide is designed to make your data importing tasks seamless and efficient, even if you're tackling it for the first time. We'll start off at the home page of Salesforce, where it's important to feel comfortable with the interface as it sets the stage for all of your actions. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the gear icon, which represents settings. Click on this icon to access a host of configuration options. Navigating options effectively is crucial, and the gear icon is your gateway to adjustments and setups specific to your needs. Next, click on Open Advanced Setup. This will provide a more detailed array of features and tools, enabling you to tailor the Salesforce environment to suit your specific requirements. Once you've accessed the advanced setup, head over to the Quick Find search bar. This tool is invaluable when you're sorting through the numerous functionalities that Salesforce offers. In the Quick Find, search for Data Import Wizard, and then select it once it appears in the results. Allow a few moments for the Data Import Wizard to load, as this will set the stage for importing your data. With the wizard open, click on Import My Data. This option streamlines the process of bringing your data into Salesforce. It's the go-to for creating efficiencies as it scales down unnecessary steps, focusing you directly on the data in question. After this, you'll find a Start button which propels you to the next stage of the data importation process. At this point, you'll need to choose the type of data you intend to import. Let's take leads as an example for demonstration purposes. Click Next to proceed to a choice between data pertaining to other companies or individuals. This selection aligns your data appropriately within Salesforce's architecture, ensuring it's indexed correctly and easily retrievable later. With your decision made, click Next once more and you'll reach the pivotal part of data importation. Here you need to confirm that your .csv file is prepped and ready. Assure that your file is correctly formatted and click on My .csv file is ready to import. Then click Next to find the Upload Files button, where you'll select and upload your file. Patience is key here. Give your file ample time to upload before proceeding. Once your file is uploaded, click Next again and then Import to finalize the data integration into Salesforce. You'll have the option to discard if you decide any imported data isn't needed after all. Finally, conclude your session by clicking Done, ensuring all processes are finalized and your data is securely integrated and backed up within Salesforce. By following these steps carefully, you'll become proficient at using Salesforce for data importation, making your data management tasks simpler and more effective. Thank you for watching, and be sure to practice these steps to hone your expertise further.